Assalamualaikum. My name is Dr. Akif Yusuf. I'm working in Surgical Unit 1, Sahiwal Medical College, PHU Teaching Hospital, Sahiwal. Today we are going to discuss a very important topic of vaccination for the asplenic patients. This is especially important for the residents and house visitors of the surgery department because we routinely do this trauma laparotomies. Some of them need splenectomies, and these patients need vaccinations to avoid overwhelming post-splenectomy infections. So to talk about it, first of all, we will discuss the timing of the vaccine. If the procedure is an elective one, we have to give the vaccination 4 weeks prior to the elective surgery. But if we are short of time, and we should at least give it 2 weeks before the surgery. But when we are doing an emergency splenectomy, we don't have that much time, so we should give it after the surgery. But previously it was given immediately after the surgery, but now the recent guidelines suggest that it should be given 2 weeks after the surgery. Reason behind that, the immune response is quite weak immediately after the surgery and it takes some time to come back. Now, what are the vaccines that we have to provide to the patient? There are 4 types of vaccines we need to provide and cover the 4 organisms. First is a pneumococcal vaccine, second meningococcal, third H influenza type B, and then the seasonal influenza vaccine. So pneumococcal vaccine has 2 types, PCV13 and Pneumovax 23. Same as meningococcus vaccine has 2 types, MEN ACW 135Y. It's a conjugated vaccine. You can easily remember it by calling it MEN A. The second vaccine is MEN meningococcal B vaccine. It's a recombinant meningococcal group B vaccine. You can remember it by MEN B. H influenza vaccine, HIB, and seasonal influenza. Now when we come to the schedule, different books suggest it differently. I have written here the guidelines of the Royal College of Surgeons. These are the recent guidelines. I have also consulted the Bailey and Love and Schwartz for that, so I have summarized it like this. There are 4 stages of these vaccines, most of these vaccines. The first stage is the first dose is at 2 weeks, then the second dose at 2 months, third dose at 5 years, and then some need booster doses. The first vaccine about the pneumococcal vaccine, we give the first dose at 2 weeks post splenectomy. This is PCV13 vaccine. It's a conjugated vaccine, as I have before. In the market, it's available as Prevnar 13. Some other brands are available, but we usually get it easily. Then the second dose is given at 2 months, but this is a different vaccine. It's a polysaccharide vaccine, Pneumovax 23. The third dose is given at 5 years. This is a Pneumovax 23 vaccine, the same vaccine we have given at 2 months. And then the last 4th vaccine is given at 6 years of age. 65 years of age. Next, meningococcal vaccine at 2 weeks after the surgery, we give MEN A CW 135Y and MEN B. So when we give both MEN A and MEN B at 2 weeks. Then after 1 month, remember it's not 2 months, it's 1 month, we give MEN B vaccine, and when the 2 months are completed, we give MEN A CW 135Y, that's MEN A. So at 1 month, MEN B, at 2 months, MEN A. Then we repeat this dose of MEN A 5 year, and although Royal College of Surgeons suggested only once at 5 years, but Bailey and Love suggested every 5 years. And there is no further dose at 65 years. H influenza vaccine is given at first dose is given at 2 weeks and the second dose at 2 months. Then it's given every 10 years. Seasonal influenza vaccine is given every year during this flu season. Remember it, during the flu season, which is mostly in September, October, or sometimes November, December. So So if it's whenever if the splenectomy falls in this flu season, we give it immediately or just 2 weeks after the surgery. But if it's out of the flu season, we just wait for the flu season to come and then we will provide it. So to summarize these vaccine schedule, at 2 weeks we give pneumococcal PCV 13, meningococcal MenAB, and H influenza vaccine, and if it's a flu season, then season influenza. So these 3 or 4 vaccines are all given at 2 weeks. First dose is given at 2 weeks. Then at 1 month we give MenB vaccine, that's for meningococcal. And at 2 months we again give pneumococcal vaccine, MenA vaccine for meningococcus, and H influenza vaccine. And then at 5 years we give meningococcal vaccine, pneumococcal vaccine and the meningococcal vaccine. And at 65 years of age we give a booster dose of the pneumococcal vaccine. Thank you very much. I hope this must have helped house officers and PGRs in their exams and as well as in the ward routine. Thank you.